Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I show you how to add music on Instagram post. So go for in this plus icon, and if I add this photo, then you have to go for next, and here you can see a music option here or icon here. So click on it, and now you can check music from here, choose your music from here, and just go for done. When you are added your video, your song, after that you can resize it or edit it from here. You can choose clip duration from here. If I go for 20 seconds, then go for done. After that you can just go for done, then go for next, and now you can go for add captions, add locations, and tag people. When you are done, just go for share. So this is how you can add music on Instagram post. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.